Welcome to sets under the Venn diagram. Okay, so we finished looking at the part of sets, which were presenting different sets in set breeder notation. Now, in this lecture video, we are going to look at how we can solve questions under a Venn diagram. Okay, so let's go to the example, and it reads: Elite Sports Club offers squash, badminton, tennis. Okay, so there is this club known as Elite, and the sports which they offer are squash, badminton, and what? Tennis, and the three. Okay, so the Venn diagram below shows choices of 73 members of the club. So the members of the club are 73. In the Venn diagram below, it's showing the what? The choices of these 73 members. Okay, so we've got 20, Y, 13, 5, 4, 10, 2Y. So this is squash, this is badminton, and this is tennis. Are we clear? So question remain number one. They're asking us to find the value of Y. Find the value of Y. So Y exists here and Y is also find what? There, isn't it? So how can we find the value of Y? To find the value of Y is here and Y is also there. So what we need to do, we need to add everything. We need to add everything and equate them to what? The number of members, which are what? 73. So to add everything, we are going to add, let's say, 20 plus Y plus 13 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10 plus 2Y is equal to what? To 73. Okay, so from here we can collect like terms. I can see here I've got Y, and also here I've got Y. So I can collect them and put them together. So I'll start by saying Y plus 2Y. If there is no equal sign, like the way you see here, there's no equal sign, they're only positives, meaning the sign won't change. Then the sign doesn't change. It only changes when it crosses the equal sign. So Y plus 2Y, then I'll say plus 20 plus 13 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10 is equal to what? 73. So Y plus 2Y, my answer is what? 3Y. Plus, I'm going to add everything there. So I'm going to add 20 plus 13 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10. Okay? The answer here is 52, which is equal to what? 73. So I shall say 3Y is equal to 73. When 52 crosses the other side, it becomes a negative. So it is negative 52. So I shall say 3Y is equal to 73 minus 52. 73 minus 52. I'm having my answer to be a 21. Since I want to find the value of Y, I will divide all sides by 3. Also here by 3. This one goes. I'll say Y is equal to 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3. My answer is 7. So value of Y, it is 7. I hope we are clear. The value of Y, it is what? 7. Okay. Let's move on to Roman numeral 2. Find the number of members who played squash or tennis but not badminton. Find the number of members who played squash or tennis but not badminton. So we're only interested in these who played what? Who played squash, and those who played what? Tennis. And they did not play what? Badminton. So now listen. The set for badminton, it is this one here. All these they took part with in what? In badminton. But the question is, they're telling us to avoid everyone who participated in badminton and hence concentrate on those who did what? Squash and what? Tennis. Okay, so these did badminton, meaning that the only members that are remaining for squash and tennis are simply 24 and 2Y. Squash and what? Tennis. and but not what? Badminton. So we are going to say 20 plus 4 plus 2y. Okay, so I shall say 20 plus 4 plus 2. While there is y, I'll replace with a 7. So I shall say 20 plus 4 plus 14 is equal to what? So I shall say 20 plus 4 plus 14. My answer is a 38. So 38 members. 38 members. I hope we are clear. Let's move on to Roman numeral 3. Okay, so how many members played two different sports only? How many members played two different sports only? So those who played two different sports only, they simply mean intersections. Okay, intersections. So B intersection squash intersection badminton, which is S intersection B. So S intersection B, it is this Y. S intersection B, it is this Y. So we're going to write it Y plus badminton intersection tennis, it is this 10. So that's a 10 there. Plus squash intersection tennis, it is this 4 there. So I shall write a 4. So by replacing why there is y, I'll put my 7, since y we're finding 7. So I shall say 7 plus 10 plus 14. So if I say 10 plus 4, not 14, plus 4. So 10 plus 4, it is 14. 14 plus 7, which is a 21. So here there are 21 members. Like that, 21 members. So we can move on to number 4. Find the number of members who played one sport only. Find the number of members who played one sport only. So if they speak of number of members only, they simply mean this, the union. This, and that. Those, the ones which are alone and they did not participate in anything. So we're going to say 20 plus this 13 plus this 2y. So to be like this. Okay, now by replacing, it's going to be 20 plus 13 plus 2. What there is y, I replace with what? A 7. So I shall say 20 plus 13 plus 14. Okay, so when I add 20 plus 13 plus 14, I'm simply having my answer to be a 47. So I shall say 47 members, like that. So this is how we get to answer questions under sets. Under sets, this is how we answer them, especially those dealing with the Venn diagrams. So main questions that come like this is how we handle them. Make sure that you pay attention to everything, because this really what helps. So this is how we get to solve such kind of questions. I'll send a similar question as an exercise so that you can work out and see what you can do about it. Thank you for watching. Where you're not clear, you can always inbox. We're there to help and guide you through. Thank you.